Okay, so today is 29 of October. Here, this is Mabilva, no? Mabilva field, and we are starting this project because there was some problem here with the plants. This is called Mabilva plant, no? This is a 7-leaf bilva plants, and like as you can see, there are some plants that are doing quite well, but some plants like yeah, there are some plants that they are growing very slowly like this, and we are doing the nest, the mulching, as also you saw in the okra field. And here the guys, they are mulching like crazy, no? Very good. And yes, so we have before, what we are doing is this. So we are working the soil, loosening up the soil a little bit, like here. You want to be in the video, Anna?
What video?
This video. What you are doing?
I'm just taking out this weeds.
The weeds, no? Okay, he's taking out the weed, and so also the soil is getting loosened, no? And then we put the compost. When it's like this, we put the compost, this compost here. That is not so good, but you know, it can be used. And then we just sprinkle it a little bit, and then we do the nest with the mulch. So why we do that? Because then we don't need to weed. The mulch is getting decomposed, start to go down, and bacteria and fungal come. And so we don't need to we have to water less for sure, because a lot of humidity is there. And yeah, the plant gets its fertilizer from the mulch. So like show here, I will show all the field. Like this plant is getting bad, and so here is not so bad, but because in the past we have the problem in this field that you see also this plant is died, and we have so what happened here in the past? We have weeding a lot and keeping the soil bare, so without grass, no? And then the soil gets very poor, like here, you see. Now grasses start to regrow because it's raining. But watch there, the plant is dying. So here we already loosen up the soil. This is a good soil actually. When the water come in, then we do compost and mulching. And next time because in the past we was weeding here and take out all the grass outside. Now the next time they give us this responsibility to regenerate this field, we cut the grass and we mulch directly here, because the mulch there was taken out from this field. So this is not intelligent. Now we will grow the mulch here. Now there is a little bit of agroforestry here, very simple. There is moringa, drumstick, also we will use for mulching. And yeah, this tree that I don't know, but also you see that is not good. Then yeah, maybe the next video we will show more project, but that's it. This is just to remember how it is and how will be in maybe 1 month. We start to regenerate this field. So I just show us another place, maybe here. Yeah, because also this plant is dying. You see this plant here, and this one, and so here. Yeah, here the nest. Now in few days we are going to finish all the bad plant, all the small plant and bad plant. Here, Anna is mulching. Nice. Very small plant. Thank you. And yeah, mulching here. So in one month we will see the difference. Should be works because we already have done this and yeah. Yeah, this is all the field. You Anna, you know this name, the plant of the name of this plant? No, eh? Okay.
It's called sagon.
Sagun, you know?
Yeah, sagon, yeah.
Sagun?
Yeah.
Is bearing fruit or you know?
No, it's just a tree. It's a very, for furniture making. It's very,
For the wood.
yeah, where wood is very hard.
Okay.
Yeah. And termites love it.
They take it, they eat it.
Yeah, they like it's gone.
Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, a lot. Whoa. Nice. Okay.
This is the most expensive one.
Really?
Yeah, the wood.
The wood.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope start to regrow because it's not so good.
This tree name is teak tree, right?
This teak tree?
Teak.
Huh?
Teak wood.
Not tea. With this they will make
Furniture.
tables, furniture, yeah.
Yeah.
In Telugu they call teak.
Teak. Okay.
But English I don't know exactly.
Okay. So yeah, we will see in 3 weeks if something changed with the plant. Yeah. So here we are, there are some plants that are struggling, are yellow, and now already pruning the plant that was struggling more, and that is hard pruning, so we're pruning very down from the bottom of the plant, so we stimulate the regrowth and to having new shot of leaf growing. No, you see now. Imagine like the plant was like this, and if the plant is weak, you cut from the bottom, no? And so if the root in the soil are stable and have nutrients, can regrow, no? I show, for example, here. Here, where is? Yeah, here. So this was cutted, I think, 2-3 days ago. And you see already the shot here that are sprouting from here and from here. Very small, but also here. So what we want to do is like stimulate the plant to regrow again, because when the plant start to be yellow, this color very weak, they should be regrow again, young. So this is the, also here there are new shoot coming, and here this I just done right now. This was pruned a lot, the plant totally pruned, you see. And here, that was remain of the pruning. So we expect that in 1 week, new shot will come. Now for sure there are ants that are starting to eat all the hamid, all the sugar from the cutting, because we have to remember that from the xylema and phloema is coming all the sugar, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4 years old plant. So it's growing quite fast, Mabilva. So we expect that new shooting coming from here. Now we take this video to see that there are no shoot. these are past leaf, and in few days new germination from there. So hello, today is the 5th of December, and I don't remember the last video that I've done here. This is the, we call it Ma Bilva field, because it's full of the plant of Ma Bilva, no? And it's a thorny bush, actually, thorny bush tree plant that is used here in the many temples, that they need this leaf to the Shiva temple. And so the problem here that we have done, I will put in the total video, no? We have done many stuff, so we have mulch the small plant, and actually there are many progress, no? All these are new, so the mulch was working, and I think maybe 1 month that I have done the last video, 1 month that we have mulched, but for lack of people and lack of time, we have a little bit forget to keep it well. So like here you can see all the new growing, so the plant is doing very well. But in another plant, for example, yeah, like this one, you see the grasses start to go to the plant. So what is needed is for sure to take out some grass, and also we need to put more mulch, because it's very important, like, to put enough mulch when we start the mulching, because then if it's very few mulch, the mulch is getting is finished very fast. So hard mulching is very important. So another thing that I want to show, also the plant is getting a little bit better. There was very yellow plant. Now you see all the new shoots. So this is nice, good. This is a good growing. And I want to show also, because we were pruning some plant that was doing very bad, almost dying, like this. No, I think I show the moment of pruning this plant. You see how much the plant show new shoot, new germination. And so this is very important. When we have with the pruning, we can rejuvenate the plant. We can make the plant younger, no? Because here we'll start to put new leaf, and the wood will be new. So all the system, all the plant from here will get new life. How do you call it? The green stuff that go inside of the wood. I don't know, but will be very good. So we can save plant doing hard pruning. Also, let me check. Also, this plant here was totally pruned. You see how it respond. It start to grow again. Very important. So again, I remember we have mulched many other plants and also pruning. Like this one, you see that we are not taking care. All the grass is enter. This should be mulch and take out the grass at least around the tree, 30 centimeters. But you see the cutting that we have done was very hard, and all the new sprouting, very beautiful. You regrow like a new plant. And yes, now the grass is growing. In some place should be cut, and also, yeah, same here. You see how much it was pruning. All the plants are sprouting very fast. And so to revitalize some trees that are getting older, one possibility is also this. They're struggling a little bit more, but there is some resprout. This also depends how the plant was before, no? Because this plant was really bad, no? So it takes a little bit more time to do their sprouting, but you know, it's going. To revitalize some plants, so very easy stuff to do is mulching. If you have some fertilization, like organic fertilization, like dung or Jivamritam, we can put it, and then we prune it very hard, without no fear. And believe me that many plants will be restarting a new life, really. Then yes, this is now is, as you see, is a little bit abandoned. We are not taking care. The grass is growing too much, and then when the grass is growing too much near the tree start to struggling a little bit, and so we will come back here. Now we don't have people to do the work, but yeah, just to show you that the mulch is working if it's done properly and with the consistency, and also the pruning is working. I will show you one plant that was cut very few days ago, maybe 1 week, 2 weeks ago, that is already show the small shoots. Very small, but are there. Okay, everywhere. Okay, that's it. We will see you to the next video.